Hello and welcome to the vlog. So today is actually day 2 of this whole vlog. We are currently camping at Rockwood Conservation Area in Ontario. We're just here for the weekend. I literally came straight from work yesterday on Friday. Came straight from work to here. It was like a 20-minute drive. It's about like a 40-ish minute drive from our house. So parents came up, we set up the tent. And Charlie's here and he is just like absolutely loving it. He has been amazing, the best. And you know, had a drink last night, had a little campfire. I went to bed pretty early because I was tired because I worked all day, but this morning got up early. We've just been hanging out. We went on a hike, which was a lot of fun, and I will insert some footage in here now for you guys. We just came back here and we're chilling, and I don't think we're gonna eat lunch. We had some good breakfast, so I'm not gonna eat too much, and then we are gonna head into town later. Dad are now going on a little adventure. We went and got ice cream, as you guys saw, and now we're just walking back through the trails. There's another one I want to check out with caves. Yeah, it's a lot of up and downs, a lot of hills. Right, Dad?
Oh yeah, lots of hills.
Lots of hills. Oh, you go up there. I'll take a photo.
Why don't I take a picture and I'll go up there with the camera. I'll take a picture down here.
Okay. Money for you to blueberry?
I'll give you $5.
No, how much money for you to do it?
Oh, $500.
Oh.